Hi, my name's Susan. I want to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they know what to rank it for. So you'll come here, you'll see that I put you in here, and then we checked out your H1 tags. And you'll see that the H1 is like the main heading on your website. So if I go to your website, it's this home, why choose Roman's plumbing service. It's really the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. So right now you're telling Google that your site's about a local plumber with heart, or why choose Roman's plumbing service, or even home, which obviously it's not. So the other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So I did a Google search here for Sonoma County plumbers, and all these blue lines right here, those are the metadata. So you can see the top guys talking about Sonoma County plumbers, and that's why they're at the top position. So right now I found you like on page 3 when I did this search. And really, I bet you if I Googled a local plumber with heart, then you'd be at the top spot. But obviously, as much as I love a local plumber with heart, nobody's going to Google that. They're going to Google Sonoma County plumbers, Sonoma County plumbing, or similar keyword. So those are just a couple things I wanted to help you see. Just some small little changes can really help you rank. Also, if you're ever checking your rank, don't go to Google and then keep Googling yourself, because as the weeks go by, you're going to keep checking the same keywords, and then Google's going to slowly move you up, but really instead you want to use like a third-party tool. We actually use the site called Rank Tracker. Actually, I have you pulled up here, and it's a free subscription for a month if you want to just sign up. You don't have to. But anyways, I have your URL here and your keywords, and you can see that you're actually ranking like in the second, third, fourth page for these keywords, but that'll change super fast once you change your H1 and your metadata based on whatever your keyword is. Like for example, you do like H1 and metadata, Sonoma County plumbing, have them both similar, so that it's crystal clear to Google what your site's about. And then also on your website, I see that you do other services like installations and repairs. We can help fix your website, make it more appealing, but most importantly, get you ranked on the first page of Google, which could most likely double your income, because that's where really 80 to 90% of traffic is. I mean, most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I don't. Okay, if you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you on the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you success.